Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at COOFANDY's shorts. So they are true to size. You have deep left pocket, a deep right pocket, drawstrings that you can tie off, and then what you do with these, you just tie them off and tuck them in if you need to. Some people won't. Yes, so they're true to size. You have a left pocket that's deep, a right pocket that's deep, you have a back pocket that's medium deep. I like them, they fit good. So the drawstrings, you could just simply tie them off if you need to, and then tuck them. But they're nice. Nice color too.